So it's Memorial Weekend and we are in Alabama, Winfield, Alabama to be exact. You wanna know why? Because this guy screwed up. Today we're in Winfield, Alabama, and we're going to do a review on
Appalachian Foothills RV Park and Service Center.
Yeah, so we're going to try them out and see what they're all about and what kind of work they do.
We'll let you know.
Stay tuned. So I saw on Facebook a post about a new place opening up near Red Bay. And anybody knows us knows we always go to Red Bay for service on our Tiffin. I like the outside vendors there, and I like Tiffin doing the work. I don't go to dealers because dealers break and ruin everything that they touch. So I heard about this place, and allegedly, and I haven't talked to any owners yet, they're ex-Tiffin employees, and they got together and they built this place. And basically it's called Appalachian Foothills RV Service Park and Service. Appalachian Foothills RV Park and Service. That's it. We contacted them through Messenger. They got back to me within minutes, super fast, and they said, "Yeah, we have a spot available." So.
And they could do the work.
They could do the work. I really wasn't. I was going to do the work myself. As a matter of fact, I ordered the seal from Tiffin and had it delivered to me, shipped to me. I was going to put it in myself, but I've never done one of these, and I'm a little nervous with it because it does involve removing some trim with paint on it. So I said, well, why don't we do this? We'll go there to their park, we'll check them out, and let them do the seal and see what kind of work they do. So we came in on a Saturday. They've been super, super helpful and accommodating. So we'll show you a little bit of the park. And again, keep in mind, it's a work in progress. They have a pavilion over here that they built. They're in the process of building. It's not done yet. They have a cool gate down there. And on the left, they have a dog park they're building, which looks really awesome. And they got a pond. There's supposed to be another pond somewhere. I haven't seen that yet, but I haven't really walked around that they're getting ready to do. Like I say, they're putting a lot of money into this place, just from what I've seen. And it's going to be really awesome. Their service center is over here, but they're going to do the work on the coaches. And Tuesday morning when they come in to do mine, they'll we're going to get more video. Hopefully they won't mind, and we'll get some more video of the mechanics actually doing the work. So they still have a lot of construction equipment here, and they have a lot of work to do. I would imagine right now there's one other Tiffin coach here being worked on, and I read online they do work on all makes and models, so it's not just going to be exclusively Tiffin. They have an awesome Wi-Fi setup. You see on the towers up there, there's Wi-Fi throughout. And I think there's 20 pull-throughs or pull-ins right now, pull-in spots. A few of them are on concrete, the rest are on gravel. So this is the building, the outside, and like I say, there's 4 bays here. They do paint and body work, I know that for sure, because the other coach is here. That's what he's having done. He's having some paint work done and some interior stuff done. And pretty much do oil changes, services, things like that. I'll put a link in the description of the name and all. I don't know what's going back here yet. Again, I'll find more out when I talk to them on Tuesday. But, you know, if they're half as good as what they've been to us so far, it's going to be a great option for us in the future. How far is it from Red Bay?
50 minutes.
It's about 50 minutes outside of Red Bay. on what's this road?
Right off of 22.
Right off 22, that's what it was. So, and these are all full hookup sites too. And they do have, what I read online, they have security system in here. They have surveillance and all that kind of stuff. I do see cameras on the building. And I don't know how elaborate that is. Again, we'll get some more video on Tuesday.
Stay tuned.
We'll let you know how it works out. So when we were down in the Keys, I noticed a little issue and something I needed to get fixed. This is right here. Slide seal. These here get cracked and they dry rot over time, so we're gonna get that taken care of while we're here. So here they're in the process of installing the slide seals. I'm glad they did this job, as a couple of the bolts did break upon removal and had to be replaced with new bolts, which were also painted to match the coach. You'll see the old slide seal laying on the ground here in a second, and it was in pretty bad shape. So overall they did an excellent job on this, and I'm glad that I brought it here and had them do the work. Miss Betty all washed and waxed. Looking really good. And tomorrow's job is we're going to put a new ladder on, because some knucklehead Freightliner backed her into a branch up there a while back. I'm finally going to get around to getting her fixed. Got the new slide seals put in. I got this one done. They did a little work for me on this door, which had some bad paint on it. They're getting that straightened out, and they'll finish that up tomorrow. And then back here, right here, there was a Lazy Days sticker that apparently somebody did a repair on, and they clear coated over top of this decal. So we're gonna get that repainted tomorrow and get that fixed finally. All in all, they're doing a good job. I'm very pleased with their work here. So they're doing everything they can to make their customers happy. That's all we ask for. I'll check back in tomorrow after we get her done. Gonna repaint those gutter things too up there tomorrow, so they match the coach. So they got started the next morning, 7 o'clock, bright and early, and they sanded and repainted that area where the Lazy Days sticker was, and they also sanded and polished this door here that was bothering me since I bought the coach. The next step was they removed the old ladder and installed the new ladder. They did go to Red Pay and pick up the new ladder for me, which was nice, and it made it convenient, and they got the new ladder on with no problems. Everything got lined up and worked great. So all in all, they did an excellent job. I wouldn't hesitate to use them again in the future. If you've come to expect the great service from Red Bay, then you'll love these guys. You'll get that and a lot more here. Their prices were phenomenal, and they did an excellent job, went out of their way to take care of their customers. So these are some of the things we had fixed, and we will leave you with some of us hanging around in the shop having a little fun with our new friends Buddy and Betty Lou.
Okay. Well, it was wonderful to meet y'all.
Y'all hit the road today?
Maybe. That ladder stays on.
You can climb up on it, jump on it.
I tied it over some rope.
I brought him up here to help you out. Yeah. If I get this, I can sure everything drives down good. You just go when I put your light back.
Y'all leaving today?
Yeah.
All right.
Get the car hooked up.
Get a few miles down the road. I'll be home by 7.
Huh.
Give me a thumbs up top there. Thank you for all your hard work, everyone.
Yes.
Thank y'all for coming.
We will mention your name, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I'm sorry I woke him up. He was in there sleeping. I said, I can't leave him without waking him up. Come on, buddy. Let's walk around. I'll find some stuff for these guys to do.
Oh my God, no. You better get
I
him
can do
to start first. Don't get him started.
Welder goggles. Here, I'll put these on. Maybe that'll help. Your chrome tip's a little rusted.
Yeah.
We could get that fixed.
Help that up a little bit.
What else can I find?
Mr. Bentley, come on, Mr. Bentley. Come on.
Watch out, buddy. Come on. So we leave you with some pictures of the boss man sitting around on the job again, and some photos of our new friends, Buddy and Betty Lou, enjoying some Jaeger bombs at night in the campground. We had a great time and a great trip. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, you know what to do. Click subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, you did your thumbs up right.